If you're memorizing Laxmikanth chapter by chapter, there's a good chance you're preparing for the wrong polity paper. Why? Because UPSC no longer rewards memorization alone. It rewards constitutional reasoning. In the 2026 prelims examination, UPSC didn't ask what are the powers of the president. It asked how should those powers operate in a specific constitutional situation. That single shift changes how polity must be studied. Today, I'll show you how to prepare for the Constitution the way UPSC actually tests it, not just the way it's written. Let's get into it. Hi, I am Rahul Tajnekar, your own UPSC mentor and coach, director of Rahul Sir's IAS Academy Nagpur, and author of the book Ethics, Integrity and Aptitude, an ultimate guide to score 160 plus marks in GS Paper 4. I have appeared for the UPSC interview 3 times, and over 14 years, I have guided hundreds of aspirants through this journey. In my last video, I broke down GS Paper 4 Ethics and why common sense is not enough. If you have not watched it, go check it out. It lays the foundation for the same precision thinking we need in polity. UPSC has moved decisively from article recall questions to precision and implication based questions. Let me show you exactly what that means with real examples from this year's official answer key. Question 54 this year asked about the meaning of law under Article 13. A simple recall question would only need you to know Article 13 exists, but the actual question tested whether you knew that custom and usage having the force of law are explicitly included in Article 13.3, a precise subclause most aspirants skip past. Question 55 went even further. It gave 3 statements, each claiming there is no article that specifies a particular constitutional fact. All 3 statements were officially confirmed wrong. Ashmayug Article 395 does repeal the Indian Independence Act. Article 394 does deal with commencement. This tells you something important. UPSC is not testing whether you have heard of an article. It is testing whether you know its precise scope, what it includes, what it excludes, what it does not say. Before moving ahead, I would like to inform you that I have analyzed all the UPSC Prelims 2026 questions in a subject-wise manner. I have created a separate playlist for it. You must watch these videos to get first-hand info on the level of questions asked and gear up your preparation accordingly. So how do you build this precision? Apply the SPE framework to polity. Step 1. Syllabus. Identify the precise constitutional theme, fundamental rights, center-state relations, whatever the topic is. Step 2. Pattern. Study how UPSC tests this theme specifically. This year, question 57 tested the 5th schedule versus 6th schedule distinction, a trap that has appeared repeatedly across years. Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram fall under the 6th schedule, not the 5th. That exact confusion trapped aspirants this year too. Step 3. Extract. Read Laxmikanth specifically to resolve these precise distinctions, not to read cover to cover, but to extract the precision the pattern demands. This precision gap, knowing an article exists but not its exact scope, is the single most common issue I see in strategy sessions with polity-focused aspirants. If you want a personal review of where your polity preparation currently has these precision gaps, book a one-on-one preparation strategy session with me. The link is in the description. Now the dynamic linkage, because static books alone will never cover current constitutional developments. When you study fundamental rights, you also need to know the latest Supreme Court observations relevant to that right. When you study ordinance making power, you need to know it through the lens of this year's confirmed triplet purse. Question 51, where the word any in an ordinance can amend any central act, made the entire statement false, because an ordinance cannot amend a constitutional amendment act. That single absolute word changed the answer. This is exactly the kind of dynamic precision that static reading alone will never give you. For exactly this, connecting static polity chapters with the latest relevant judgments and constitutional developments, our free daily current affairs app filters this specifically for you. Link is in the description. Build what I call a polity dashboard for your own revision. One column, the static chapter. Other column, the most recent relevant development connected to it. Do not keep static and dynamic separate. Every time you revise a chapter, update the dashboard. Mastery in polity does not come overnight. It comes from consistency in applying precision. Every article, every schedule, every absolute word checked, not assumed. Tell me in the comments which polity topic feels most confusing to you right now. Center-state relations, fundamental rights, parliamentary procedure? Write it below. And if you want your polity preparation reviewed and structured, book a one-on-one strategy session with me. The link is in the description. Download our free daily current affairs app, link in the description. Next video, we decode ancient India and how to stop rote learning 500 years of history using pattern recognition instead. Watch that next. Coming up next is my video on how beginners should prepare for ethics. Do watch it. I am Rahul Tajnekar. Prepare smart, prepare honest. I will see you in the next one.